Go.
Hey
Hey,
Cuenca,
Cuenca.
good to see
Good to
you.
see you.
Ready
Ready
to
to
strategize?
strategize?
Hi, Mamawag. Absolutely. Let's start in. What's on the agenda today?
Well,
Well, I've been
looking at
looking at
our
our
market
market
research,
research,
and it
and it
seems like
seems like
there
there
a
are
growing
growing
demand
demand
for
for
athleisure.
athleisure.
We're
We're
among
among
our
our
target
target
audience.
audience.
I think we
I
should
think we should
capitalize on
capitalize
this
on
trend.
this trend.
Interesting. Athleisure is definitely hot right now. How do you suggest we approach it?
I was
I was
thinking
thinking
we could
we
launch
could
a
launch
new
a
line
new
of
line of athleisure
clothing
clothing
focusing
focusing
on
on
comfort,
comfort,
functionality,
functionality,
and
and
style.
style.
We can
We can
promote it
promote
as
it as
adapt
adapt
apparel
apparel
that
that
can be
can be
worn
worn
for
for both
workouts
workouts
and
and
casual
casual
outfit
outfit
or
or
outing.
outing.
I like that idea. We can leverage social media influencers and fitness to endorse our brand and to showcase the adapt of our athleisure wear. It'll help generate buzz and attract more customers.
Exactly. And
Exactly. And
speaking of
speaking of
attracting
attracting
customers, I
customers, I
believe
believe
we should
we should
also
also
enhance
enhance
our
our
online
online
presence,
presence,
which
which
more
more
people
people
shopping
shopping
online.
online.
It's
It's
essential for
essential
us
for
to
us to
optimize our
optimize our
TikTok
TikTok
and
and
offer a
offer a
seamless
seamless
shopping
shopping
experience.
experience.
Agreed. We can invest in improving TikTok navigations, decision user-friendly features like virtual try-ons and optimizing our mobile platforms for on-the-go shoppers. Plus, we should ramp up our digital marketing efforts to operate traffic to our site.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And
And
let's not
let's not
forget
forget
about
about
customer
customer
engagement.
engagement.
We should
We should
focus on
focus on
building
building
relationship
relationship
with
with
our
our
customer through
customer through
personalized
personalized
email
email
campaign,
campaign,
loyalty
loyalty
programs,
programs,
and
and
responsive
responsive
customer
customer
service.
service.
Good point. Building a loyal customer base is crucial for long-term success. We can gather feedback from our customers through surveys and reviews to continuously improve our product and services.
Exactly. By
Exactly. By
listening to
listening
our
to our
customer and
customer and
adapting to
adapting
their
to their
needs, we
needs,
can
we
stay
can
ahead
stay
of
ahead
the
of the
competition and
competition and
ensure
ensure
customer
customer
satisfaction.
satisfaction.
Well said, Mamawag. Alright, let's put our plans into action. I'll coordinate with the production team to start developing our athleisure line. And you can work on refining our digital marketing strategies.
Sounds like a
Sounds like
plan.
a plan. Sounds like a plan,
Cuenca.
Cuenca.
Thanks for
Thanks for
your
your
input.
input.
I'm
I'm
excited to
excited to
see
see
our
our
efforts pay
efforts
off.
pay off.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye,
you. Bye-bye,
Cuenca.
Cuenca.
Likewise, Manawag. Likewise, Mamawag, let's make it happen.